Guys, good morning. How are you today? We are here guys in Al-Shabaab Alley. We play basketball because we have exhibition game for my company, Dubai Duty Free. Guys. Yan na. Guys, yan yung mga player ng Casa Office, oh.
Number 1, Jordan number 1.
Ayan, oh.
Please like and subscribe.
Oh, guys, Casa Office lang sa Kalam. Guys, yan yung mga player, oh.
Can we invite everybody to just stand up perhaps? Melvin Galang, so we could of course swear everyone, swear an oath for our athletes' oath. And of course, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our officiating team, led by Marlon Cinco. Thank you so much guys from Peba Sports. Welcome and good morning. And can we call on everyone to come over here and at least be here in the middle so we could start the program, at least formally or informally.
Guys, ito yung mga tropa pits na first place nung game namin.
Good morning, good morning. Shout out.
Shout out sa lahat ng nanonood. Number 1 na. Shout out.
MVP.
Please like and subscribe.
May outtaking.
Guys, yung mga committee namin guys. Hi sir, morning.
Live ba yan, sir?
Mga committee namin guys.
Under the protection of Mark Mercado, are you all here already? Blue Hawk for the first game. Green Raven Claw Alliances under Melvin Gala. Available. Alright. Green Raven 3B Franklin Ocampo.
Taking part in the Dubai Duty Free Basketball Exhibition Games 2023. I, state your name, Melvin Galang, promise that we will compete with honor and respect. In the spirit of true sport, we will abide by the rules of the games and recognize the commitment of the tireless members of the committee who make this experience possible. I pledge our commitment to the true sports principles. We will strive for excellence, stay healthy in mind, body, and spirit, and have fun.
How are you? Good.
Mercado's team. Okay, yes. One team member. Okay, each challenger.
Mel. Morning.
To shoot in the 3-point line. Okay?
Guys, yan yung mga maglalaro ngayon. Cash office yan guys, yung cash office warrior.
Okay, who are the representatives? Team captains.
Pre, shoutout ka sa terminal mo.
Can we
Shout out
call
nga
our
pala sa lahat ng mga taga-Terminal 1 dyan.
Junior. Opa. Okay, from cash office, what's your name, sir? Okay, who else? IT Heroes, team representative.
Jun Simon, how are you?
Yorme
At Chahet.
23.
At Chahet Ike.
Please share and
Subscribe
like.
and follow. Guys, ito ang
Yorme
petman
number
namin
1.
ng CD. Si Ernest. Ayan,
Subscribe kayo ha.
Paring Lester.
Paring Lester, shout out. Paring Lester, subscribe kayo ha. Yorme 23.
Thank you.
Number 1.
Now, all right, 2 attempts, third attempt, no good. Taylor is going at the center. Center attempt, good 3-point shot. That's 1 ball out of 6. 7th ball attempt, no good. 9th ball attempt, no good. That's 1 ball out of. You still have few seconds left. Okay, 9 balls only under 1 minute. All right, we'll try the next challenger. Jayla Piano Bautista from Green Raven Claw Alliances is 1 money ball. 2 points bawat siya. Okay, so how many points was that? Because he was able to.
Okay. Kaya total 12.
Yung huling bola titira, money ball, 2 points. The rest, puro 1 point.
Alright, J. Lord, you made 2 points. Alright, ready from Cash Office Warriors, Rommel. Your timer starts now.
Sir, stepping sir ha.
That's first attempt. Good one.
Yeah,
Wow. Third attempt. No good. Rommel positions at the center. Fourth ball attempt, no good. The fifth ball. No good. Sixth attempt.
Stepping.
Stepping. That was a stepping. Alright, seventh attempt from Cash Office Warriors. Good one.
Last one, bye.
Last ball from Rommel.
Stepping ka, bye.
Yeah. Ninth ball was a good one. Very good one, Rommel. And how
From
many
Cash
points?
Office yun, guys. Si Rommel.
How many points did you
Bet
get?
Malu.
6 points from
Cash Office, 6 points.
Warriors. Wow. Who's gonna challenge Cash Office Warriors? Who is the next challenger? Okay, we have Ryan from the CA Phoenix.
Guys, next, teammate ko yan, guys. Si Ryan.
Sir, tignan natin guhit sir ha.
First attempt, no good. Second attempt, no good. Third one, see.
Counted.
Good one, Ryan. Fourth ball, positions in the center. No good.
Sir ball, pre.
Fifth attempt.
Counted.
Good one.
Basket.
Basket. All right, sixth attempt, no good. Seventh one.
Sir ball, pre.
Last money ball. All right.
Short.
Thank you so much, Ryan from CA.
3 points.
3 points.
Ryan
Made by Ryan.
score.
All right. Thank you so much.
Ready?
Carl.
From Arrivals T3, Green Raven.
Next, guys, Gusina.
Green Raven.
Timer. Ready?
Your nature? John from Green Raven. First attempt, no good.
Short.
You have a minute. Your third ball, no good. John positions at the center. Fourth attempt, no good. You still have, that's your sixth ball, no good. Okay,
Short.
3 balls. Is he gonna make it? Ryan. Oh, John.
Short.
Sorry. 8 ball. No good. Okay, this is your last chance, John. Congratulations. At least you get to throw the ball. Thank you so much.
No shot, guys.
One more. Okay,
by
from
Kusila.
DC Pelican.
Next, guys, Irish.
Heroes.
From Irish Village.
Carlo de los Santos.
De la Rama, guys.
Attempt, second ball, no good. Third ball, no good. Positions at the center. Again, you have a minute to do this. Fourth ball, no good. Fifth one. All right, will he make the sixth one?
Hindi ko na
No
babantayan
good.
na mamaya dyan.
Carlo positions at the side, 3-point line. 6 ball, or 7
Short.
ball. That's the 8. And 9, 0 balance. Congratulations. All right, any challenger left? Conquers D.
Guys, zero score.
Blue
Valderrama.
Hawk, 2B. This is Ernest Ortega.
Guys, si Ernest yan, guys.
Whoa,
Pogi
that's
points
the
ng
first
City.
attempt. Relax, you have a minute. You still have 51 seconds.
Zero ball, pre.
Ernest positions at the center, fourth ball.
Counted.
Fifth ball. Sixth ball. All right, 1 ball so far. You have last 3 balls, Ernest. 7th ball.
Basket.
That's a good one. 2 points. 8th ball. And that's the 9th ball.
Short.
Not good. 3 points.
Guys, Ernest score 3 points.
2B. Alright, 3 points. So, who got the Bisilab Challenger? Other teams so far? Terminal 2. No, they're not scheduled for today, so they're not included. Alright.
Guys, dumating na yung yellow team. Yan guys, ang yellow team.
And we have Catch Office Warriors.
Yan guys, yellow team. Dumating na sila.
Second is Ryan from CA Red Phoenix.
Woo! Teammate ko yun guys. Ryan. Pet malo ng CA.
Ernest Ortega and Ryan. Okay, you may now claim your prizes here at the table. Courtesy of Employee Services.
Guys, yan yung award ni Romel.
Picture, come in the center for a while.
Boss, congrats ha. Ikaw na nanalo sa 3-point shootout ha. Kasopis lang ha sa Kalam.
Congratulations, Ron. Nice one. Maybe you can take a
Next is
picture with
Ryan.
the Chairman.
Guys, second place sa 3-point shootout si Ryan. Third place si Ernest, guys. Number 1, Kasopis.
Comment for a while with the Chairman.
Guys, yan si Sir Jopet, guys, yung nasa gitna namin. Sa Team HR. Next, picture taking daw, pre. Yan. Si Ryan ang second place. Si Ernest ang third place sa 3-point shootout, guys.
Alright, thank you so much and congratulations to our skilled challengers. 3-point shootout. Alright, so after
Guys, practice na guys ang green team. First game sila. Ayan ang green team.
for your waiver, as you have to sign your waivers before you.
Guys, ito na yung parang Lester ko guys, dumating na.
The house.
Shoutout ka pre.
Shoutout sa lahat ng Ship BCD.
Number 1.
Saka sa October batch 2008. Lapit na, 15 years. Coming soon.
Number 1.
Number 1, number.
Bang, bang, bang! Guys, practice na guys yung yellow team.
Blue team yan, blue. Wala pa nga lang yung uniform namin, on the way pa lang.
Okay.
Blue.
Blue
CD,
team pala sila.
Blue Hawk.
Wala pa yung uniform nila, hindi pa dumarating. Guys, start ng first game. Green team versus yellow team. First 5 ng yellow team, Lester, Marte, Mark, John Ray, tsaka Ernest. Yan ang first 5 nila. 2 points. Number 19, Marte. Ang first 5 naman ng green team, Cocolet, Boyka, Julius J. Lord, and Rick Rock.
Number 30, pass.
Outside. Loose ball, guys. Yellow ball. They crack dribbling the ball. Outside.
Red team's ball.
Change ball daw, guys, sabi ng referee. Three seconds violation. Yellow ball. Umispat si Marte. 2 points. Number 19.
Number 26 using the board, that's good.
Pinasa kay Ernest.
Number 1 using the
Basket.
board, 2 points.
2 points. Number 1 by Ernest. Ang pogi points ng CD.
Hilario.
Na-steal. Pinasa kay Ernest. Outside. Green ball.
0.
Score, guys. 6-0. Yellow team 6. Green team 0. First quarter. 9 minutes 49 seconds. No good. Marte dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Ernest. Umispat si Boss Lester. No good. Short. Wala. Short. Cocolet. Pass to number 1.
Hilario
Tumira.
from 3. That's good. Rebound.
Wala.
And fast break.
Marte dribbling the ball. Naagaw ni Julius.
Double dribble.
Violation, guys, ang green team. Tumira si Lester. Short. May hangover pa. Tumagay ng Red Doors kagabi. Hangover problem. Pass to Cocolet. Pass to J-Lord. Tumira. Wala. Tumira si John Ray. Short. Foul. John Ray, number 14. Short. Short again. Umispat si Marte. Malakas. Short. Pinasa kay Marte. Pass to Ernest. Basket. 2 points. By Ernest. Guys, score 8-0 in favor of yellow team. Umira si Hilario, 3! Hilario, 3 points! Guys, kondisyon na yung friend ko. Nag-iinit na, guys. Short. Steal by Ernest. Mark dribbling the ball.
Lose the ball. Pass break to Hilario. Hilario power play. Reverse. Not good.
No good. Short. Dribbling. Violation, guys. Double dribble.
Green Raven.
Timeout, green team. Guys, back to the ball game. Last 6 minutes, 14 seconds.
Foul number 49.
Timeout, guys. Bagong sapatos ng number 17. No good.
Number 9.
Number 9, 2 points by Julius.
5, 4, 8, 5. Favor of yellow.
Outside. Green ball.
Steal. Number 13.
Steal by yellow team.
Lester. Pass to number 1.
Traveling, guys. Violation. Si Pogi points. Guys, kondisyon yung tropa ko, si Julius. Guys, naka-score na ng 2 points kanina. Steal by Ernest.
Francisco Andrian. Steal by Capo.
Naunang dyan, hindi nahabol ni Francisco. Number 49.
Left to right. Franco.
Outside.
Doubling violation. Call to number 17. In. Tuck in, sir. Tuck in. Franco. Tuck in.
Hawak ni Jun Simon ang bola.
Number 3.
Short.
Number 17.
Basket by Ernest.
2 points.
Score 10-5 in favor of yellow team. Last 4 minutes 26 seconds in first quarter.
Steal. Fast break.
Pass break by Ernest. Basket by Pogi points.
Number 15.
Short.
Wala. Decena.
Bumuhol ng 3. Short.
Elbow. Fast break to number 1. Big.
Basket by Ernest. 2 points. Steal. Take shot by Francisco. 2 points. Number 49.
Number 49.
Score, guys. 16-5. Outside.
15, tap in, 15. Knock your shirt, knock your shirt. Ito lang. Foul number 49. Timeout. Yellow.
Timeout,
Dog.
yellow team.
Blocked by number 8.
Guys, second
Fast break
quarter.
play. Ortega.
Score.
Outside. Green ball.
11-24.
Substitution. Rep. Substitution.
Tumira si J-Lord.
Bautista.
Bang, bang, bang.
Bautista.
J-Lord 3. 3 points. By J-Lord.
Mark.
Spot si Mark. Short.
Bautista.
Steal
Curry.
by Jun Simon.
By Bibu.
Tumira si Jun Simon. Basket. 2 points. By number 3. Steal by Ernest. Din Wright.
Ortega.
2 points.
2 points.
Score, guys. 14-28.
Number 9, pass inside to Boyka. Loose shot. Mark, pass to Ortega, fake.
Tumira si Ortega.
Not good.
Wala.
Steal.
Steal by J-Lord.
Boyka.
Short.
Not good.
Umispat si Jun Simon. Short.
Couple.
2 points by Julius.
Yellow cigar.
Score 16-28. Last 8 minutes 19 seconds.
Time remaining 8
Time out,
minutes
guys.
and 19 seconds into our final quarter, second half.
Guys, second half na to, guys. Hinga. Pahinga. Assalamualaikum. Kepalal. Tamam?
Good, alhamdulillah. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Guys, ito yung mga green team, guys. Pagod na daw, guys. Pagod na.
Green.
Kapoy, my friend. Yellow ball. Back to the ball game. Tumira si Jun Simon. Wala.
Ortega.
Bang. points
3 points.
by Ernest. Ang pogi points ng City. Guys, yung mga committee namin guys. Shoutout mga committee dyan. Kaway.
Shoutout tayo dyan sa ating mga taga-Pilipinas, kami nasa Dubai. Ang Olympic men duty crew.
Tumira si Jelor. Short. Pass. Tumira si John Ray. Basket. And one.
Number 1. Bonus Pedro. Number 14.
2 points by John Ray, guys. Short. Three seconds violation. Yellow team. Natulog sa pansitan ang pare ko.
Number 13, Pastor Ortega. Pastor 13, back to Bogota. Number 14, using the point.
Wala.
Not good. Foul play.
Wala pa rin. Short. Hilario dribbling the ball. Pass to Franco. Pass number 3. Tumira si Boss Julius. Wala. Short. Pass to number 22. Short.
Pass break to number 1. Give it go.
2 points by John Ray.
Timeout.
Ang muscle man ng CD. Score guys, 18-35 in favor of yellow team. Guys, back to the ball game. Short. Raven, 2 points. Number 7. Steal by Boyka. Tira pre. Short. Steal.
Boyka throwing the ball.
Short.
Number 7.
Wala.
What a perfect move.
Basket by Raven, 2 points.
Steal.
Score guys, 20-35. Outside. Short. Umispat si Marte. Basket. 2 points. Number 19. Tumira si Dicena. Short. Outside.
Okay, our next game after this match. Be ready. In Raven.
Hindi nahabol.
Versus the Phoenix Suns.
May hangover pa. Si Francisco. Guys, yung mga ka-teammate ko, ayan, oh. Kondisyon na, guys. Kondisyon na yan. Kondisyon na yan. Kondisyon na yan.
Kompleto naman daw sila, Jeremy. Subscribe.
Subscribe and follow.
Subscribe and follow.
Sugulit, sugulit.
Shy type ko. Shy type.
Tara, shoutout sa mga tropa sa Pinas.
Shoutout sa tropa sa Pinas.
Ay, ang sunod dyan sina Sherwin na.
Boss Kevin, how are you?
Maliliit? Yes, boss!
Boss, second game kayo?
Last game!
Last game.
Still waiting.
Kasopis yan, guys. Saka lang ng kasopis. Di ba? Boss Roman. Di ba? Champion yan, guys. Champion. Ayan ang champion. Baka naman. Sangkaong Raiders lang dyan. Sangkaong Raiders lang.
Sabi ko kay Lebron. Lebron, pisot.
Lebron, pisot ka daw. Two points. Guys, ang score 39-22 in favor of yellow team.
Ortega.
2 points by Ernest. Ang pogi points ng CD. Guys, last 1 minute 44 seconds. Outside.
Substitution. Pasok. Substitution. Pasok.
Tira! Short. Umispat si Boss Julius. Short. Na-rebound ni Jun Simon.
1 minute. Remaining time, 1 minute.
Short. Pass kay Boyka. Wala pa rin. Basket. 2 points by number 68. Umispat. Wala. Na-rebound ni Mark. Basket.
Number 8.
2 points. Number 8. Tumira si Raven. Short. Rebound by Jun Simon. Tumira si John Ray. Short.
Congratulations.
Guys, ang score guys 24.
Congratulations.
43.
Yellow Cigar. Next game, calling again the team.
Win Yellow
Green
team.
Raven 1B. Sherwin Navarro.
Boss, how are you? Shoutout ka,
And the
boss.
Phoenix Suns.
Shoutout
Jesse.
Normal TV 23.
Thank you. Guys, yan ang score nila. 24-43.